hot mess. I still got so much of the floor left. I probably only done like a fifth, and I'm already in my mind imagining myself editing this video. I'm just ready for it to be done. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby if you're new here. Now this is not a DIY channel, but in this video I did a mini bathroom makeover. So in one of my previous videos I was talking about how I was getting myself in a place where I was ready to receive. That meant my mind, my spirit, my soul, my household, and just the environment that I was in. Something that had been bothering me for a while was my bathroom. I just didn't like the way it looked in there. I didn't like the way it felt, and I never really planned on updating the floors or really doing anything to it. I kind of just wondered what that would be like if it was something that we were going to pay for. So I looked on YouTube and I seen all these other women doing it, and some of them didn't know what the heck they was doing, and it still turned out so good. These women had inspired me, so I figured I'd just try it out. And I'm not gonna say I enjoyed it, but I am happy that it was a new experience for me and that I got it done. So let's get into it. So y'all, this was the floor before I started. I know it probably looks so dirty, but I promise you it really wasn't. I had already swept. I had went in here with the Swiffer, but it was just a color gray that just really looked dark and dingy. And I just really wasn't liking it. I wasn't feeling it. It just made the bathroom always feel so dirty and nasty, even when it was clean. So I was definitely over this look. So I went to Home Depot and I found this flooring. It's a peel and stick. I took everything off of the bathroom floor. This flooring is super cute, and I was hoping it would make the bathroom look brighter. So I jumped right into it, y'all. I put down the first few slabs and it looked good, okay? Those are honestly the easiest ones. Oh my gosh, I only got this down. This toilet is killing me. I saw on some other YouTube videos, some dude had recommended this thing that I got from Amazon. It's supposed to help you shape and then, you know, put it on to cut the piece. But I just really don't understand. I put it here to measure the toilet, but then when I put it here, it's like, well, where do I use it at? You know what I'm saying? So I was like tearing off a piece of paper to shape it like that, and then cut it like that, and it seems like it's finally about to fit. But y'all, I cannot believe I'm questioning myself right now. Like, I'm questioning. I already messed up one, but luckily it was only a little corner that I could still reuse. But I've been at it for probably an hour now. Yeah, I'm about to just keep plugging, y'all. I gotta commit. I've seen other girls doing this on YouTube. Some had some experience, some didn't know anything what they were doing. So I just keep telling myself, if they could do it, I could do it too. Okay, this is where I'm at. I messed up right there too, clearly. Let me get that tissue out the way. But I plan to fill that in with grout. I hope it looks good. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna redo it. These spaces right here, this is all gonna be filled in with grout. I got some great grout. I hope it looks good. And this is what I was saying a second ago. I still don't understand how to use that daggone tool over there. What the heck? My daggone $20 back. So I'm using a sheet of paper, and then I trace it, and then I'm gonna trace it on the panel, and then cut it, and then fit it in. So it worked for this piece, which there's a little space right there too, which please God, I hope it looks good with the grout filled in. But that's just how I'm gonna just do this. So I really hope it turns out well. If not, hey, I tried. I really tried. When I tell y'all, I am so out of breath. I'm so out of breath. Of course, I cut the towel the incorrect shape and it acted like it did not want to fit. So I just spent the last 15 minutes sawing little pieces off and like jamming that thing in there. Like I done shoved the toilet to the side because I was really trying to make that thing fit. But I made it fit, y'all. I made it fit. Yeah, I cut it too big. And you see, I I can fill this part in right here with grout, but I messed that up bad. So I think I'm just gonna have to cut this part up and then connect it there. Jesus, this is the most. I'm too big to be on this floor like this. But oh my gosh, I'm so happy I made that fit. Because when I saw that, I was devastated. But I said, I'm not about to retrace that and all that again. I cannot. We're gonna have to make this work. Okay, this is what we got so far. And I do think I'm gonna just recut that whole piece. That's bothering me. But I'm liking it, y'all. This is a hot mess. I still got so much of the floor left. I probably only done like a fifth, and I'm already in my mind imagining myself editing this video. I'm just ready for it to be done. So it's 3 hours later, y'all. 4 hours actually. And I'm gonna show y'all what I have. I didn't finish. I'm exhausted, irritated, all that. So I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. I need to start fresh. Cause this thing, DIY is not for me. It's not for me. I would rather pay somebody. But life ain't set up that way. You hear me? Oh, it was coming along. Now that piece right there, I was like totally avoiding it. So that piece around the toilet and these pieces right here around the door frame, I already know they about to take some work. And I told my baby girl I was gonna take her to the park today, so yeah, it's 5:30. We still got plenty of daylight left, so that's what we about to go do. Back at it tomorrow. The whole break, I really didn't even realize I needed. Look at that sun. Yes, melanin. Hey y'all, so it's day 2 and I'm determined to get this done today. I'm really not happy with how this is looking over here in the corner. I was thinking that some grout was going to be able to fill in and make that look better. But the closer I get to being done, the more I am about, the more nervous I'm getting about it. But I'm trying to just have good spirits because I'm already knee deep in the game. But I found this in the garage. Oh my gosh. And I'm really hoping that this will be a game changer to really help me cut these things straight. Because I didn't think we had a ruler or anything like that. But I forgot he had this. But I went in the garage to go look. And I'm like, yes, Lord. So hopefully this helps me a lot today. It's not really too much to do. I'm not looking forward to that. Or to that part right there. Or there or there. But I just keep telling myself, there's more done than not. So I'm about to go ahead and get back to it. Okay, so I just got this yes, I'm happy with that. Yes. Hey. too. Yes. Okay. Alright. This thing did a little something. I might try it again for the toilet, but we'll see. Almost there. And this is the type of stuff with this floor that I was just over. Look at this. This is not, I can't clean that off. That's just a stain on the vinyl. This too, it's just, it doesn't matter what I clean the floor with, bleach or whatever, it just always looks like this. This is gray, but this floor just looks so dirty, and I'm just so excited to see how this is coming together. But Dad, come on. I'm really gonna have to figure that out. So this is the grout I decided to use. It is the color gray, and it was already pre-mixed and ready to go. Just what I need. I got it from Amazon. So at this point, I was pretty much done with the floor. So looking around at my bathroom, it just made me feel like I needed to level it all the way up. So I decided to get a new shower curtain to put in, and to do something with my mirror as well. I had the kettlebell sitting there just to make sure that I add some extra pressure so that the stick would actually stick to the floor. And this was a shower curtain that I found also on Amazon. Oh my gosh, super cute. Big and pregnant, y'all, still getting it done. I was a little skeptical about standing on the tub, but it was all good. This took forever though, but once it was all done, it came out looking so good, honey. It was looking like a new bathroom already. Yes, look at that. I was just so in love with this. Mind you, I don't even know if I had mentioned before, but this started out with me only wanting to do the floor, that's it. But every piece I added made me want to get something else, which is where this towel comes in, like this little backsplash. I decided to go ahead and get that too, to put right under the mirror. And then after I did that is when I was like, you know what, this mirror is gold, rose gold. That's a no. I need to spray paint it. So it was kind of just one thing that just snowballed into another thing that ended up making this a transformation, like a mini transformation bathroom makeover, which was just absolutely crazy. So we had a random magazine around, so I ripped those pages out and laid them all over the mirror part so that I wouldn't destroy that part of this mirror. And then we already had some silver spray paint. I took it outside and I spray painted it out there. And I brought it in the house, sat on some towels, turned on the fan to let that thing dry. And I was really happy with how that turned out. Okay, yeah. I'm liking that, yes. I thought where you could see where the spray paint didn't spread evenly was going to bother me, but it doesn't at all. I actually love it. Okay, and I definitely left some paint behind because it was raining out there, but I wasn't tripping about it only because like our porch is already jacked up and the dog is just going to make it worse. Like he's the one who tore up all the paint in the first place. Oh dang, y'all, I just hung it and I can't see where I did let it run a little bit. That's the only spot that happened in though. The rest of it is pretty seamless. So I think overall I can deal with it because it's only in that one spot. Overall though, I think it turned out really good. It looks like a whole new bathroom, not crazy. I mean, it is a whole new bathroom, but so here I was just laying down all the grout, filling in all the pieces around the toilet and the other spaces around the floor. And y'all, let me just say, it came through. It came through. Like, okay, y'all, so let me throw it back. This is what we were working with. Look at this. Crusty and dusty, just ill. No, ma'am. So from this to this, y'all, 3 days of hard work. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It lit up the bathroom so much, just like I had hoped. And I am so in love. Did that. So y'all, tell me what you think. I really love the way it came out. I'm like really impressed. It started out with me just wanting to do the floor, right? That's it. It just became a whole project. I actually did this a few weeks ago because y'all know I was in the hospital and all that. With that being said, I don't even think I'm gonna do the guest bath. We have a 3-bed, 2-bath because the way I was feeling back then, I'm too big to do that now. It costs about $100. You can't get your mind right if your environment ain't right. I know this was a little different, but it's all part of the transformation that has been going on and I'm taking it on in my life. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and until next time, peace and love. I'm out.